Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find swing trade stocks on Finviz step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Finviz website. Once there, locate and click on the Screener tab at the top of the page. This is your starting point for filtering through thousands of stocks. We will begin by applying some broad fundamental filters to narrow down the vast universe of available equities, ensuring we focus on suitable candidates for swing trading strategies. Now, let's apply some essential fundamental filters. For market capitalization, choose over 300 million to ensure you are looking at established companies with reasonable stability. Next, set the average volume to over 500,000 shares. This is crucial for ensuring sufficient liquidity, allowing you to enter and exit trades efficiently without significant price impact. You might also consider adding an industry filter to focus on sectors currently demonstrating strong performance. With fundamental filters in place, it is time to add technical indicators to pinpoint potential entry points. Filter by price to find stocks trading within your preferred range, perhaps between $5 and $50. A powerful filter is setting the 50-day simple moving average to be above the 200-day simple moving average, indicating a strong uptrend. Also, look for specific candlestick patterns, such as a hammer or doji, which can signal potential reversals or continuation. Finally, it is time to analyze your filtered results. Carefully examine the charts of each potential stock for clear price action, identifiable support and resistance levels, and overall trend strength. Always check for any recent news or upcoming events that could significantly impact the stock's price in the short term. If your list is too long or too short, do not hesitate to go back and refine your filters until you have a manageable number of high-quality swing trade candidates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.